In today's video, we're trying out several interesting things with pineapples to see what you can do with them.
Guys, we previously did a video where we showed you how to pull apart a pineapple. Well, we also did about half a dozen other experiments on the same day, and we want to show you now.
We had so much footage from all the experiments that we did that a lot of them didn't get into that first video, so now we've taken the ones that didn't go into that and made them into a new video.
It's crazy how many things you can do with a pineapple.
So many. Another thing I do want to try is freeze drying the pineapple, and I've had freeze-dried pineapple, and it's delicious.
Amazing.
It's so good. It's just like light and airy. Something about it breaks down all the fibers, so like there are none. It's just kind of like biting through a
pineapple
Lucky
cotton
Charm
candy. Yeah.
marshmallow consistency almost. Super good. We've now got a bag of our freeze-dried pineapple, and it doesn't sound like pieces of pineapple. It sounds more like a bag of Lego, honestly.
But it tastes like,
So good.
oh my gosh, you guys.
It's like light and fluffy.
Pineapple popcorn?
Yeah, about the consistency of popcorn, you're right.
Yeah, it really tastes like you just have pineapple flavored popcorn, which sounds weird, it's delicious.
No, it's super good.
Oh
Also,
my gosh.
like all of the stringiness is just gone. Like right across the fibers, like they run this direction, you can still just bite right through it, no resistance. Here's the plan. We're going to take this freeze-dried pineapple, we're gonna rehydrate it by soaking it in the juices of other fruits. Or rather, I'm gonna do that. Callie's just gonna keep eating it all. So after we soak it and really let it absorb a lot of this juice, we're then going to freeze it and then freeze dry it again. The idea is that we're hoping to end up with pineapple that has other fruit flavors infused into it. First up, we have some passion fruit juice. Technically, this is mostly pear juice with some passion fruit in it, but that's probably a good thing because passion fruit juice straight, it's kind of like lemon juice. It's a lot of flavor, it's very tart, and it's way too strong to actually just drink. You would never want to drink it pure.
You wouldn't want to drink it.
I would never want to drink it straight.
I wouldn't want to drink it.
We may try some non-fruit juice type things as well. All right.
Do you think this is going to turn pink at all?
I bet a little, maybe orange.
Ooh, that'd be cool.
Just enough that it would cover it if it sunk.
We've had some crazy expansion with liquids in our freeze dryer before, so I want to be careful not to add too much.
Then we also have these other two cups.
Yep. So you already know the one that I'm going to try. I want to try an energy drink because energy drink snack chips sound amazing. Like caffeinated pineapple chips, yes please. This is one of my favorite flavors. It's pear guava, so we're going to try that.
We're gonna see if Dr. Pepper flavored pineapple is a good thing.
I'm just going to tell you now, it's a good thing.
So we got a few steps, and we probably won't show all of them because it's not exciting, but we're just gonna let these sit in the refrigerator, probably for an hour. Then we're gonna take them out of the juice, lay them out on a tray, probably on some parchment paper. We're going to freeze that, and then after it's frozen, we're going to put it in the freeze dryer. We'll let you see what it's like when we take them out of the freeze dryer.
As much fun as it would be to live stream 48 hours of a freeze drying process, we don't think you want to see that. Well, we did it.
We did. We've got 4 flavors of freeze-dried pineapple here. We've got the pineapple that was in our passion fruit juice, which was mostly pear, but had some passion fruit in it. The pineapple that was in the raspberry lemonade, the Dr. Pepper, and whatever flavor your energy drink was.
It's caffeine flavor.
All right, I'm gonna try the passion fruit. I love passion fruit flavor normally. Let's see how it is in this pineapple. Not bad.
Yeah?
It's not a strong passion fruit flavor, but I did drink some of the juice, and the juice didn't have a very strong flavor either, so I'm not terribly surprised, but it has more of something. It's not just pineapple. All right, let's try this raspberry lemonade. First thing I'm gonna do is actually, I'm just gonna break this in half. You can see that it's kind of pink on the outside. I'm curious if that pink is all the way through or just a thin layer. Looks like it's mostly just on the outside. Maybe I didn't let these absorb long enough.
This is why it's like popcorn. It just crumbles into dust.
Oh, I really like that. I'm definitely getting the raspberry lemonade flavor through.
I gotta know about the Dr. Pepper.
You can taste it.
Yeah, it's weird.
I'm actually not getting much pineapple. I think that actually is a good combination of the two. It doesn't taste like pineapple because it's mixed with Dr. Pepper. It doesn't taste like Dr. Pepper because it's mixed with pineapple. But together, it's not bad. Now, the next two things that we want to test are related to each other. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, and it's a meat tenderizer. It actually starts dissolving proteins. So, two things we want to test. One, can you make a pineapple slurry and use that to tenderize steak? The other though is that if you take pineapple, slice it up, and take those slices and soak them in salt water for about half an hour, you can then rinse the salt water off and it will sort of neutralize the bromelain in it, so it won't be quite so astringent, it won't injure your mouth as much.
But it still tastes like pineapple.
It's supposed to still taste like pineapple, so I want to try that as well.
All right.
And then I want to sort of combine the two. Okay, here goes. I'm just gonna pour it in, submerging our pineapple in salty water. Now we're gonna set a timer for 30 minutes, at which point we'll just pour all that out and rinse it really well. Okay, now this is pineapple that had salt and is now been rinsed. I'm gonna see if there's any salt flavor left to it. A little bit.
In hindsight, tipping the bowl would have been easier.
Ooh, that blends very nicely.
I like this blender.
Pour a little bit in.
Straight pineapple juice.
It's good.
Or pineapple puree.
I think that's probably enough right there.
No, I'm gonna want some more.
Okay.
I'm just gonna.
Oh dear, we might dissolve this steak. I think it's just, that's supposed to be coated, not swimming.
Look, you've just destroyed my pineapple juice.
Well, we've got lots more pineapple if you want to make more. Ooh, this is the one that had salt in it.
Yes.
And you're just gonna taste it.
I am.
Okay, now we're gonna take both of our pineapple soaking bits of steak and let them sit for an hour. Really let the pineapple slurry do its thing. See if those enzymes are gonna break down the proteins.
Did it turn to jelly?
Not entirely. Still approximately consistency of meat, although that is separating quite a bit right there.
What?
I don't know if that's from the pineapple or if that's just that part
Oh.
of the steak, but yeah.
Yeah, that's just a.
It might just be a loose part of the steak. So we've got the three. This one has had a little bit of salt on it, just for flavor. So this one, regular pineapple slurry. This one, salted pineapple slurry. Let's rinse these off.
I am going to point out, I'm not sure if yours feels this way, but this feels distinctly slimier than a steak normally feels.
That does look like it's separating a lot. This is the one that had salt on it.
Yes.
This is the one that did not have salt on the pineapple. And they both look super gross because they've just been soaking in liquid, but we are going to cook them and that should take care of that. All right, let's throw these on the grill.
Okay. All right. So again, regular pineapple, pineapple with salt, just plain steak.
No pineapple at all.
Yep. I'm gonna smell like steak. It's gonna be wonderful. It's my new perfume, guys. Steak. That one
Over
is
here, our untreated by pineapple tri-tip steak. Ooh, you like steak rare, right?
I do.
This is our treated with pineapple, but the pineapple was not salted ahead of time. This is regular steak. Tri-tip steak, we put salt on it. There was no pineapple.
Okay.
It's just tri-tip steak with some salt.
All right.
Here goes. It's good.
It's an amazing steak, so.
It's not particularly tender, but it's not bad. This is no salt. This is pineapple, but no salt.
Okay. Pineapple, no salt. I definitely think that's more tender. Not only does this seem more tender, this is actually cooked a little bit more thoroughly than our just salt.
Might have been a little, yeah, I think it was a little bit thinner.
But it's still okay. Like, that is fantastic.
Are you tasting any pineapple?
I'm not tasting any pineapple.
I'm not getting any pineapple taste, which is not a bad thing.
All right.
Now our steak that was tenderized with pineapple, but the pineapple had theoretically been neutralized by the salt.
So it should be more like our
It
our
should be
regular
like
beef.
the original, yeah.
Cool. I think it is more like the regular steak.
You think?
I think so.
Well, given the fact that I'm still chewing.
Yeah, I think our regular pineapple slurry wins. I think it does tenderize your steak quite a bit. So do you guys ever play that really old game, Fruit Ninja?
That worked way better than I thought it was going to.
What? That was the first try.
Clean slice right through.
It is your ninja way.
That's really fun. Okay, we got another pineapple. Your turn.
Yes!
Maybe start with the katana back a little bit. So you've got some speed. You chopped it.
Covered in pineapple.
That's a good sign.
Ha! Bonus round! Ready? You haven't missed one.
Guys, thanks for watching. Click it there to check out our most recent video.
Team Rocket blasting off again.